Hey, what's up? I'm Sarah, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for Daily Goodie Box for the month of February. And if you haven't heard of them, I have their link in the description box, but basically they are a company. You sign up at their website, you fill out your profile, and then you can have a chance to get awarded one of these boxes. You can also increase your chances by going on their Facebook page and leaving a comment on their posts. So as usual, I get this little message card saying you got a goodie box and a reminder to review the products once they've been tried. So the first thing that I see in this box is this huge bag of delicious looking quinoa chocolate. So this is Undercover Quinoa Milk Chocolate Currants. What I'm most happy about is that they actually say exactly what's in here. So instead of saying just unsweetened chocolate, they have actual cocoa beans, and it has full cream milk, not just the milk powder that other brands use. And they have actual currants in here and cocoa butter, crispy light texture, satisfying crunch. I hope this peels evenly. Okay, hey, that wasn't too bad. This is what it looks like. Very interesting. Not that much in the bag because, you know, air. All of the products in here were actually very natural based. So this is CURAD Germ Shield Antimicrobial Wound Gel. You can basically use this to kill bacteria on a pretty bad cut that you might have. And it contains silver, which is the antimicrobial. So that's interesting. And CURAD is a very well-known brand. The Sprig Zero Sugar Smile More CBD-Infused Sparkling Lemon Tea. I did get this in the previous box, and it basically just tastes like iced tea. I don't really taste that much lemon, and I didn't drink the whole thing because I'm not a fan of iced tea. My brother said that he didn't really feel any relaxing effect from the CBD. I also got a lot of beauty products in here. So this is the brand Bambo Nature, and thank you, Bambo Nature, for sending a generous sampling. So they have several different types of products. There is a body lotion, a extra soothing cream, a body wash and hair wash that the whole family can use, and a Splish Splash oil. So they sent a generous sampling, and all of their ingredients are really nice, meaning that they're like safe, allergen-free, natural origin, and they actually use organic farming. It's not tested on animals. So I checked out these ingredients, and I think that they will be safe for my skin because I do have sensitive skin, and the products themselves don't have a scent. When I smell anything in this box, it actually smells like witch hazel, even the outside packaging, because there's witch hazel soap in here. And as soon as I opened the box, I was like, wow, this smells really good. But I immediately noted that it smelled like witch hazel. So yeah, this brand, if you're looking for something, it's actually Bambo Nature, not bamboo. If you're looking for something natural to use for your body, even if you are not a little baby, you can still use it. Okay, so here we are with the witch hazel soap that made my whole box smell like witch hazel. This is super natural soap. It is from scratch made soap, soothing oats, calming lavender, cooling mint. It is supposed to help relieve itching, and I seriously need that. So this has saponified vegetable oils, olive oil, which is supposed to be the first ingredient, not palm oil. It has coconut, it also has palm, sunflower, castor oil, then it has witch hazel distillate, gluten-free oat flour, essential oils. So this is a super and awesome handmade soap right in Texas. Got this really interesting looking lip gloss. So this is called Flickable lip gloss, and it is in the flavor TTYL Toffee. So they are paraben-free, silicone, sulfate-free, and they use sugarcane, castor, and jojoba seed oils. And I have two more products in here. I got this nail polish. This is by Dimension Nails. It's a vegan premium lacquer, and cute packaging. So when it comes to nail polish, as long as it doesn't have like the terrible 10 free ingredients like formaldehyde and toluene, camphor, those are the really bad ones. But all of the other ingredients in here are generally safer than those bad 10 ingredients, but they're still not amazing to put on your body. And I like that it says slaying nails, not animals. That's pretty funny. And this is a beautiful blue color. It's a really pretty sky blue. I got two packets, pomegranate mojito and blue lady. So these are supposed to have as much caffeine as coffee. This one, the blue lady, has 155 milligrams. This one has 135, and their ingredients are pretty interesting. So this one has young hyson Chinese green tea, peppermint tea extract, pomegranate flavor, and then lime flavor. This one has flowery orange Pico black tea. So I've never heard of either of those types of black tea or green tea. And also has hibiscus, passion fruit, orange peel, cornflower petals, and natural lemon flavor. So these are very interesting teas, and I'm excited to try them. And they are supposed to have L-theanine, which is supposed to give you energy without making you all jittery. Okay, so thank you for High Octane for sending these. And once again, thank you Daily Goodie Box for sending me this box. And if you're interested in the products, they are in the description box below. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.